Today, I stand before you to announce a break from the past and to share a decision that will shape the road ahead. And everyone must make a bold choice to determine their destiny. Today, after a long reflection, we have made the decision to leave the People's Democratic Party and join the All Progressive Congress. This is no whimsical decision. It is a collective move by the political family in Enugu State, comprising members of the National Assembly, members of the State House of Assembly, the State Executive Council, all the local government chairmen, all councillors, all political appointees, and over 80% of party executives.
If you look at the development model at the center, and you want to also look at what we're doing here in Enugu State. For example, look at the Renewed Hope World Development Program. This is a program designed to empower over 8.8 million young Nigerians. That same model speaks to the things we do here, where our programs and our development is all inclusive, because we think about no section, no child, or no word should be left out in our development program, where we build schools, we build across the 260 electoral wards. We build the type 2 primary health care centers. They are being done across the 260. We're not doing farm estates, again, doing it across. And again, this is designed to upscale our production, so making our rural area productivity zones. It's essentially what we're doing. So there's quite a lot of synergy between what we're doing here and what is going on at the federal government. And so we're looking at...
Thank you. Because our time is running fast, we ask everybody, please, may we hold our peace? Let us not continue. What's this?